News just coming in from Patna that it was indeed a bomb that was found there at the Gandhi Maidan. Remember, just a short while ago, we were reporting on how a suspicious object had been found at Gandhi Maidan in Patna, and police and security officials had rushed there. The bomb disposal squad was there as well. Well, now news coming in that it was indeed a bomb and has now been exploded. This was the site of Narendra Modi's massive Hunkar rally, which was held on Sunday, when a series of bomb explosions took place, some at the railway station and some at the rally grounds. And since then, there's been a blame game and talk of security lapses by the state government and state security. So news there coming in that at Gandhi Maidan, there was one bomb still left there. As we said, a bomb disposal squad had rushed there, and that bomb has now been exploded. And remember, a huge controversy and political blame game ever since that serial blasts in Patna, in which at least 6 people were killed and dozens of people were injured. We'll be going across to Alok in just a moment for more on that. But it seems that a bomb was still left there at the Gandhi Maidan. There was meant to be another rally at this Maidan held tomorrow. It was a left rally that apparently has been planned for the Maidan. Well, let's go across to Alok Pandey for more on what's taken place. Alok, so it seems that it was a bomb that was actually left there at the Gandhi Maidan, and it's now been exploded.
Very much, Gargi. I'm sorry, but I'll have to move across to where all the top officials of the police have just arrived. So I'm going to talk to you as Habib, my camera person, walks with you to the other side. Many senior officials of the Bihar police have arrived over here. I can confirm to you this was indeed a bomb, and it just exploded. The NSG guys just defused that bomb by imploding it or exploding it, whatever the technical term is, just a while ago. I think about 5 minutes ago, there was a loud explosion. Very loud explosion that happened. For the last hour or so, the NSG was trying to isolate that bomb to where it was on one side of the Gandhi Maidan. Extremely shocking that a live bomb is recovered 2 days after 7 bombs exploded here at Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and the fact that this entire Maidan was cordoned off by the Bihar police, not only by the Bihar police but also by the NIA, the National Investigating Agency, and also by the NSG, the National Security Guard. And yet you had a situation where a live bomb is recovered today from one side of the Gandhi Maidan, and that bomb has just been defused. That bomb has just been defused. I can confirm that to you. In front of our eyes, that bomb was defused. So now we have a confirmation that the suspicious object was actually a bomb, and it was not something that was harmless, left behind on one side of a railing towards Gandhi Maidan. This is the side where the SSP headquarters, where the Patna Senior Superintendent of Police actually sits. This is that side of the Gandhi Maidan, also the side where the SK Memorial Hall, is also situated. This is a hall where a lot of government functions are held on a daily basis. Towards the far end of the frame that camera person Habib is now showing you, top officials of the Bihar police, we'd like to believe that the Director General of Police, the Additional Director General, all of these top police officials are now actually arrived over here, and they are now trying to make an assessment of the situation. But like I said, what is utterly amazing and shocking is the fact that just 2 days after 7 bombs exploded here, one more live bomb has been found today. At the moment, there is absolutely nothing to say when this bomb was planted. Was this bomb planted on the day of the Gandhi Maidan, and this was not isolated or not even found? All of these are, of course, questions that will be answered later. But at the moment, what I can confirm to our viewers is that another bomb, a live bomb, has been defused by the NSG at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. This has happened just about 5 minutes ago. This entire incident, or the sequence of events, started at about an hour before this, when we got news that there was a suspicious object that was found very close to the periphery of the Gandhi Maidan on one of the railings. This was the area where the Patna SSP office is located, and also the SK Memorial Hall. So we found it was found that there was a suspicious object. The Bihar Police's bomb squad first isolated that object. Then the NSG was called in. We saw the NSG's bomb squad going in there trying to isolate whatever there was. Then they laid out wires towards that side. And I believe that you also have shots with you of that bomb being exploded. So that bomb was exploded then. And after that, now you have a situation where all top cops of the Bihar Police in your frame right now. You can see Manu Maharaj. He is the SSP, the Senior Superintendent of Police of Patna. This bomb was found very close to his office. In fact, on the other side of the road where his office is situated, So, like I was saying, extremely sensitive situation over here. And all senior officials have just arrived right now here at Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and they are now analyzing the situation. The DM of Patna, I can see him also, Mr. N. Sarvadan, he's also arrived here. All other senior officials are also very much here. Just 5 minutes after a live bomb was found and defused by the NSD, you have a situation here where all these top officials have visited. Remember that Anil Goswami, the Union Home Secretary, is also scheduled to make a visit today. In fact, at the moment, very difficult to say if he is also here right now, but he was certainly scheduled to visit. Sushil Kumar Shinde, the Home Minister of India, was also supposed to be here in Patna, and I think it is utterly amazing and shocking at the same time that on a day when the Home Minister was earlier scheduled to visit and also the Home Secretary's visit scheduled today, you have a situation where a live bomb has been found towards one side of Gandhi Maidan, which then goes to say that the security situation here is not normal. It is still very fluid, very tense, and you can see in this frame all top officials here from the Union Ministry, Home Ministry, and also from the Bihar Police right now here at Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and they are now trying to make an assessment of the situation over here. But just to recap for our viewers what has happened over the last some time, a live bomb has been diffused in Patna's Gandhi Maidan. This has happened just about 5 to 6 minutes ago. Abhay Anand, the Bihar Director General of Police, is also here. Like I said, the SSP of Patna, Manu Maharaj, also here. Many other senior officials also here. My camera person Habib is trying to give you shots of these people. But like I said, it is a very shocking thing to see that just 5 minutes before these top officials have made an appearance over here, you have a situation where all these people have come in and a live bomb has been diffused at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. Like I said, all these senior officials are very much here. And just about 5 minutes ago, a live bomb diffused towards one end of the Gandhi Maidan. This end is very close to where the office of the Patna Senior Superintendent of Police is. And right now, like I said, officials from the Union Home Ministry also here trying to make an assessment of the security situation over here. But utterly shocking to me and amazing at the same time that on a day that the Home Ministry is visiting this place, on a day that Sushil Kumar Shinde was supposed to come over here, you still have a situation where the Gandhi Maidan was not properly sanitized. This Maidan has been off limits for everyone for the past 2 or 3 days, ever since Sunday's Gandhi Maidan rally and Narendra Modi's rally, where so many blasts took place, and yet a bomb has been left behind at one side of the Gandhi Maidan. Now again, we are not sure of the exact details right now. We are not sure of the fact as to whether this is a bomb that was left behind from Sunday and could not be isolated, but that is very hard to believe because we are being told continuously by the Bihar Police over the last 3 or 4 days that they have combed every area of the Gandhi Maidan, they have isolated every area, they have tried to ensure that everything is checked over here. And in spite of that, you have a situation where a live bomb has just been diffused by the National Security Guard. There is a rally that's supposed to happen tomorrow here also. There's a rally that's supposed to happen. This is a rally by the CPI-ML. This is called the Khabardar rally. Now question marks over that rally also. But I think the even more important point to be made is that just 2 days after Narendra Modi's rally here, where 6 explosions took place in all corners of this Maidan, you've still had a situation where towards one side, and I'll just ask Habib to walk with me, you still have a situation where a live bomb has been found to one side and it has been diffused by the bomb disposal unit of the National Security Guard.
All right, look, extremely shocking that a live bomb has been recovered today, 2 days after that rally where we saw those serial blasts, 6 people killed after those blasts that took place in Patna. And already you have the state government and security agencies under fire, being criticized for not having done enough to really sanitize the area and to improve security.
Well, yes, and you'd actually wonder what kind of sanitization has actually happened here over the last 1 or 2 days, given the fact that the Bihar Police has been here. And I'll ask Habib to again please walk with me. There has been the Bihar Police here, the National Investigation Agency has been here, the National Security Guard has been here. All top officials of these agencies have been in Patna. We are being told continuously by the Bihar Police and the Bihar government that they have cordoned off this entire area so that they can now isolate this entire area, sanitize it, and 2 days have been spent by all these agencies to comb this entire area. Now again, like I said, we are not very sure about how this bomb landed up here. It was towards one side, Gargi, on a railing, so you might have had a possibility that it would have been placed there from a road. That's also very much possible. Of course, all of that will only, those details will only emerge later, but right now what I can confirm to you as I walk against towards that spot where that bomb was actually just defused by the NSG and where some officials might just be speaking to us, the fact is that a bomb has been found. This is a live bomb that was found and defused just about 15 minutes ago. And just before, top officials from the Union Home Ministry and the Bihar Police arrived here for an inspection of the Gandhi Maidan. So, really a very tough situation for the authorities over here. Again, there is a rally here tomorrow. Like I said, this is a Khabardar rally that's being organized by the CPI-ML. People have already started arriving for that rally. So it remains to be seen how the Bihar police and the government and everyone else who is here are now going to tackle that situation. That is also something that remains to be seen. But right now, like I said, a very serious and worrying situation here in Patna, given the fact that another live bomb has been recovered from or diffused from Patna's Gandhi Maidan.
Where Jayant Kant, SSP of Patna, spoke a short while ago.
Jan, can you please give us an assessment of what this explosive was and how come it landed here 2 days after you sanitized this Maidan?
I have already briefed the thing that we were continuously searching the area after the incident. Our bomb disposal team, the other agencies team are already deployed here. Our police personnel are deployed here. In that continuation, we found one live bomb and we have now defused that.